Some foods actually get worse in the fridge. First, potatoes. Cold turns their starch into sugar, which can form harmful acrylamide. Second, tomatoes. The fridge kills their flavor and reduces antioxidants. Third, onions. They absorb moisture and smells, making them soggy and moldy. Fourth, garlic. Refrigeration causes sprouting and ruins the taste. Fifth, bread. It goes stale faster in the fridge. Freeze it instead. Sixth, honey. Cold makes it crystallize and lose that smooth drizzle. Store these in a cool, dry place, not the fridge, and keep their flavor and benefits intact.